Hi guys, welcome to another class on physics. Right, so in this class we'll be looking at dimensional analysis. Very simple. Now, a lot of students get confused when it has to do with dimensional analysis. That's why we're setting up a video to explain everything, the whole concept of dimension analysis. When it comes to dimension analysis, there are a couple of things we need to know. For instance, we need to understand the fundamental quantity. These are the three basic fundamental quantities we have in physics. We have the length, the mass, and the time. And so for dimension analysis, what we need is their first letter here, L, which is the L here, the place length, the M, which is the mass here, the place mass, and the word T, which is time, the T, which is time, the place T. The second thing we need to know about dimension analysis are the formulas of the equation we are working with. For instance, area is length times breadth. But the breadth there can also be taken as length because dimension analysis depicts that we have three basic fundamental quantities which are length, mass, and time. That means for anything that has to do with distance, we are depleting it with length. So we are changing those words for their dimension formula, which is L. Means that if we multiply L times L, we're going to have L squared. That means the dimension for area is L squared. Take for instance volume. Volume is length times breadth times height. But then anything that has to do with length, breadth, and height, we are all replacing them for length. Since distance, displacement, length, breadth, and height all has to do with their length. So for volume, we're having length times breadth times height. We can change them for length times length times length. That gives us length cube. But since we are looking for the dimension of volume, it is L times L times L. Volume gives us L cube. See how easy it is? Let's look at dimension for other derived quantities.